Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super special video. Today's video is going to be my first ever fall makeup tutorial. I don't really know what to call it. I'm just going to title this video fall makeup tutorial. But yeah. Anyways, if you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I post 2 videos every week. And also, you can follow my social medias. It will be down in the description bar below. But yeah, this is the first video of my fall-autumn series. Fall started on the 22nd, I think, and it's the 24th. And this is probably going to go up on like the 27th or the 26th. But, you know, I don't really know what to say. Yeah. I don't need to be talking for forever. Okay, without further ado, let's get on with the vid. Okay, so first things first, I started with my eyes primed, and then I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm going to take that maroon shade, and I'm just going to pack it on my eyelid. I literally totally forgot that this is my new technique and doing like really good opaque eyeshadow, but I do like to tap it into like a circular shape. Once that's done, I'm going to take the orange from the same palette and I'm going to blend out all of the rough edges. But I'm not going to go too high up on my brow bone because I still need to fit in a whole entire different shade. Once I laid down that orange shade, the maroon shade from before kind of vanished. So basically, I'm just going to touch up the maroon shade with a denser brush from Morphe. All of the brushes and all of the products I'm going to use in this video are going to be listed down below in the description box if you're curious. And for some reason, because it was starting to look more chocolatey brown than reddish maroonish, I added a little bit of the Love Letter shade from the Modern Renaissance. And then I'm going to go in with the lightest yellow shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use that as a color to kind of transition everything and ensure that the blend is flawless. After we've got the base laid down, it's time to move into the cut crease, which I don't really know how to explain the cut crease because it's not technically a half cut crease and it's not a full cut crease. It's more of like an in-between because I have that flick going on, but it doesn't go all throughout the outer edge of my eye. So I'm just going to let you watch it and figure it out. I'm so sorry. I suck. After the After the crease is cut, I'm just going to pat it down with my finger, and then I'm going to set it with a cream colored eyeshadow from whatever palette, doesn't really matter. After that, I'm going to blend that outer corner with the same maroon shade I've used beforehand, and this is just the best brush to do it. I don't really recall the name of the brush. Such a flop, but I will have everything in the description, as I said before. Dominic, can you shut the hell up? I'm trying to do a video. But yes, after the blend, I'm going to get a bronzy shimmery shade from the same palette, and I'm going to place that right beside the blend, but not towards the inner corner of my eye. And I don't really know why I did that, but it ended up looking okay in the end. For the lower lash line, I took the same burnt orange shade and just smoked that out really low, which gave the look like a grungy look. And of course I flopped and I effed up, but like it's chill because after that I blended it even further with that same mustardy yellowishy, not even mustardy, like cutesy yellow shade. For the inner corners and the brow bone, I took 2 shades from the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. 10 out of 10 recommend. The price is right. The eyeshadows are blendable and really pretty and really pigmented. And then to tie the look together, I did a dark glossy lip. This is a Rimmel lip liner. I don't know what color it's in. Obviously, that'll be in the description box. But I will say these lip liners are super freaking waxy, but they are really long lasting, so that's a plus. It was just like a fuchsia-ish shade. And then to top it all off, I used my, well, not my favorite, but one of my favorite lip glosses by ColourPop in the shade FUDGE'D. It looks really, really good, especially if you're a melanin queen. Yeah, that basically consists of the entire look. I didn't film my face because my phone ran out of storage, and I apologize for that. But anyways, if you guys like this look, don't forget to leave it a like down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!